A new Magic City diorama in the house. And this is the diorama that's inside, and I'm going to do an unboxing and review. Okay, so here we have the box. You can see it's in a 1/64 scale. Picture has nothing to do with what's inside, but it looks very nice. This is a picture of what's inside, and it's about this diorama, and you can see it comes in a set of 4 dioramas. Now, I didn't order these two here on the back, but I did order this one, the street food. Already got it in the house, so review is coming soon. Okay, same picture as in the front. No barcode or article number. We are going to open the box. So we open the box, and here we have the base of the diorama with a lot of stickers. Cool, robots, I like that. And let's see what we got here. Something that looks like a security camera. And a lot of more stuff here, but it's better to take everything out and then show you what we got. As you can see, everything is very well packed. So we got a lot of accessories here. And we need some glue and also a pair of scissors. Have to get that one later. What we've got here, I don't know what the name is of these robots. Gumdon, Bangdon, something like that. I have to look it up. I have one of those robots myself, and I think this one goes right here. There we go, in the store, and I'm going to use some glue. We have this right here, so I'm going to take everything out of the package. And I think this is also important because here you see how you have to do it. It got some numbers. I hope they are not decals, but we will see. So we have a lot of accessories here on the table. These are the stickers. You have to cut them out yourself, and yeah, here you see the numbers where the stickers belong. So I'm going to be busy for a while, and I can tell you it is not something I like. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, small update. It goes pretty well with the stickers, but some stickers have a really tight fit, like this one. I cut this really good, right? Right? Well, take a look. It doesn't fit in here. So before you take this off, so the sticky thing will appear. It's better to make sure it fits, and then you take the back off so you can place it here. But now it is still too big. Okay, let's do that. So I placed all the stickers where they belong. Cool thing is, from every sticker you get an extra pair, so if you screw up, you get a second chance. So here we have the refrigerator, cooling with the cans. Make sure the cans are in the right way, because here the advertisement is on the bottom and here the advertisement is on the top. You get 2 of those. We get this thing right here that you have to put in the middle. Here is the other side. This sticker was, yeah, maybe I have to get another sticker to make the circle complete. 24 open sign comes with a sticker. This is for outside. For the recycling, also come with this sticker. Then we have this thing right here with some cans, some advertisement. And we got this right here with some magazines. Counter desk. I have to glue this on. There were no stickers for the screen, so it's going to be a black screen and I have to glue it on here. I think that's better. So I'm going to glue as much as possible. These ones right here. And you see, by the way, that the light is working. Put some batteries inside. I'm going to put this one right next to it. And again, make sure you put them in the right position so the top is on the top and the bottom is on the bottom. Obvious. I think this I'm going to put right there. Well, you see the result when I'm finished. So I glued as much as possible on the diorama. Let's start over here with the security cam. Then those two Mitsubishi air conditionings and another one right here and another one right there. Then it is possible to put stickers on the window, but I kind of like it to look inside. It's a pretty cool store. Here on the left side, I put a refrigerator, coolings in the back. Okay, and these are the stickers that you can put in front of it. Not bad at all, but it takes away your sight to watch in the store. What I did, place these two right here. They're not too big and they look kind of good. Mailbox right here. Then I glued a counter desk right there. Thought it was a cool thing to do, and it looks yeah, a lot better. Gundam store also glued right there, and another sticker right here. Then we have the Gundam advertisement here on the side, which looks really cool. And this doesn't fit at all. This is the best thing. It's the best I could do with it. See, I think it has to. This had to go all the way to the wall, but that was not possible. And if I use more force, I'm going to break it now. I'm not going to use this one and this one. Don't think that is necessary. There's one more thing to do. Get some cars, get some figures, and show you how it looks. And the diorama is finished, and I have to say I'm really happy with it. So this was the first one I got from Magic City Diorama, and then I thought, whoa, this is cool stuff. Then this is my second one, really nice one. Did a review about both of them on my YouTube channel. And now my third one, and the fourth one is over there, still in the plastic, the street food diorama. Got a lot of stuff here, don't you think? Whoa. Oh, we have to start all the way from the top. The Messerschmitts in a 1/18 scale, still have to do a review about that one. Some of my dioramas, going to do a diorama about this one very soon. Did a diorama about these two from Bellic Art, you can look it up. There we got the BMW diorama, Mercedes-Benz diorama. A lot of tanks, of course. Still have to do a review about this one. WA1200 Komatsu wheel loader. Big mining machine. Hey! Paul Walker and his Nissan GTR did a review about it with working light. How cool is that? And the figure is made out of diecast, by the way. Hey, another Mercedes-Benz diorama. Here a very small diorama with working light, 1/64 scale with a Humvee from Dragon Armor. Another Humvee right here from Forces of Valor. Mini Champs Abrams did a review about it. This is also very cool. Still have to do a review about this one. But we were busy with the Lawson City diorama. Let's have a closer look. I put some cars and figures so it looks more realistic. Okay, there we go. I also put a mailbox there from American Diorama. Most figures you see are from American Diorama, but there are also a couple from Race Metal. This is so cool. Yeah, so this is loose on top. Some kids on the roof watching the stars or planes or whatever. The light in the diorama is looking pretty good. Would be cool if there was some more light over here, but this is okay. Okay, even put some figures inside. Let's have a closer look. So there you see a figure, and I also put a girl behind the counter desk. Maybe we can watch it from here. It's a little bit difficult to see. There she is, also from American Diorama. Car from Hot Wheels. Humvee. I have to do a review about it. I'm going to do a review about it pretty soon. Yeah, I'm very happy with this diorama. Really cool. What also is cool is the security cam. Hey, what's happening here? Perfect. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your Diecast friends. Have a very nice day. See you later. Bye.